Don't throw away the jute that you have left over from your craft projects. Upcycle it into this cute little bag tassel.
It's so easy to make. It should be illegal, seriously. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. Strap in, it's very easy and it requires very little materials.
All right, so you only need a few very simple supplies for this, which is some leftover jute rope. I got mine actually at Dollar General for another project, and I had about, this much left over. You see how that makes a pretty nice length. Now, of course, you can make it any length that you want. And then the second thing that you're gonna need is some sort of key ring. So I'm going to use probably one of these little guys here. And easy enough. Just put it about halfway through. Make sure it's right about there. Now, you have a choice. If you feel like working with hot glue, you can work with hot glue. Or you can take a handy dandy rubber band. Doesn't matter what color or anything like that. This is just to secure it in place. My rubber band happens to be gigantic, so I have to make it work for me a bit. And after we're done with this, then we're going to figure out which ribbon we want to use. Now, all of the compliments that I have been getting have been on this one here. So what I'm going to do is replicate that by getting myself some orange ribbon, probably about, I don't know, 12 inches, just to be safe. What I like to do with my ribbon is just tuck it under a piece of the rubber band just to get yourself started. And then just tie a little knot there. Come on. And if you want to be extra secure, you can even dab on a little bit of glue. Now, it's just a matter of wrapping it around. So, I like to just go like that. See how it covers right up? Now what you really want to make sure that you do is that the back is covered up. And when you have about, what is that, 5 or 6 inches left over, don't do the bow just yet. Try and get this pushed through so that you can have a secure way to get the bow on there. Hold on one second, gotta get some, there we go, pull it through. I'm sure you could get that through with maybe like a stick or something. See how I'm pulling it through like that? There you go. Quick and easy. And also, by the way, I got this at the dollar store as well. Oh no, I looped through that. Hold on, now I gotta redo it. I looped through the chain. That's not good. We can't do that. There, make sure that chain doesn't get caught up like I just did. So I'm going to try that again. Push that through there. And pull it through like that, and then one more time like this. There we go. Now what I like to do is tuck it under, but you don't want to deal with all these messy strings right here. So cut off a little bit, get your glue. It doesn't have to be hot glue. I'm just going to use a little bit of tacky glue here and push that in a little bit, and that's going to dry nicely. Probably have to zhuzh it up a little bit around the rubber bands, but that's okay. Take a deep breath. This is going to be the back part of your little bag bling, so you don't have to worry about it too much because it's going to lay on the bag like that. Now, you can keep it like this, or you can really start adding things like a cute little bow, that sort of thing here, but let me show you how to get it nice and fluffy like this. You want to unwrap your jute rope like that, and even take all of the strands out of each of those. And don't worry about being perfect, because the more you zhuzh it, the more it's going to look full. So, in fact, I found when I did this the first time, you want to shake it around a little bit, kind of tussle it like you would your hair in the morning after a shower. Tussle it a little bit, see what, kind of brush it out. See, and it's going to try and kind of go back into shape, but that's okay, because the more you tussle it, the more it'll start to find its own little area. In fact, you can kind of pull it and tighten it up against that base there, and then it'll start to do what you want it to do. And like I said, you tussle it like this. That's pretty satisfying. So it feels really good, actually. And then you have this really sweet little kind of shabby chic looking dangle. And what I want to do is attach a few things to it. But quite a mess on here from the jute fibers, but that's okay. A little bit of baby wipes will help clean this hole up. And I mean, this is almost like a fidget sort of relaxing thing to have on your purse, because I tell you what, going through here and feeling that and separating things out actually feels very satisfying. So maybe this actually is like a little relaxing thing to have on hand, kind of like a horse's mane. I feel like I'm brushing. Okay, so what we can do is we take one of these little clips, and I chose an orangish red in order to sort of go with my orangish red here. Now, this one is a little bit fancier because I added some wood beads to the key ring here. I will tell you right now, this was so hard to do. It was a lot of pliering and squishing and moving things over and getting this into the right place. So this can be done. It's just not very easy. Okay, pony beads may seem like they're for kids exclusively, but I'll tell you what, I use pony beads a lot. And it's because they are so easy, so versatile, and I really appreciate that. And also, of course, the kiddo loves playing with pony beads. And they come in every color, that's another thing, is coming in every color is a big deal. And fall crafts, you got to have a lot of orange and brown around. And that means that either I'm going to go buy some expensive beads, or I'm going to get some pony beads in the colors that I need. And then that works out just fine. And I really do feel like I need to put something here. Let me see what I have, because that is bugging me. And I've already done a bow, so I kind of want to show you something else. Let's see what else we can do. Look at what I found. More pony beads. So, okay. Little treat for you. Little ASMR treat for you. Is this a W or an M? Other one. There's an O. And one more M. Come on. Who sees the M? Who sees the M? No, I see an N. Is there an M over here? Please tell me there's another M. Oh, well, here's, yes. Okay, beautiful. Now, to get this all back in to some sort of package. There we go. We are going to take a little bit of jute from our leftover scraps, and we're going to string up the letter or the word. We're going to string up the word mom on here, and then we're just going to wrap it. See, this is what crafting with me is like. It's all a fun experiment. We're all learning a little bit of something, and we get to see lots of different variations and techniques, because I am unafraid to make things that don't work out the first time, or maybe aren't perfect, because repetition is key, my friends. You have to create a lot of stinkers before you can come up with a winner. And I'm not always going to be able to show you a winning craft right in a 5-minute video. So that's just okay. We're all learning and being inspired by each other. And that's why I love it when people leave comments, because I always learn from you as much as you learn from me. And I'm going to try and shove that under there and make a cute little knot. And then this guy is going to be donezo. If I would have thought about this beforehand, I would have made this beforehand, as far as like attaching this beforehand. But here we are. Here we are figuring it out. So if you do go back and do this, and you're feeling like you want to do like an extra little dangle, just make sure that you either leave enough room for your dangle to get through, or make it there, make your dangle, then tie it on when you're doing the wrap process. And look at that. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Cute, 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 cute. Give that a little bit of extra room to say mom a little bit flatter. Yes, adorable, adorable. Okay, and then I'm just gonna tie it one more time, keep it extra secure. You could put a dab of glue on, and then you can cut off the ends as well if you wanted to. But I actually think I might like it. It's either mom or wow, depending on how you want to look at it. All right, kind of like these looks. Yeah, that's adorable. Okay, so, okay, very cute, right? Oh, I love it. Do you love it? Oh, Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Look at how cute it looks on my favorite bag. I love it. Okay, but I did promise I was gonna give this to my neighbor, so I better go.
Hope you had fun with your crafty BFF. Talk to you later. Bye.